Hello everyone, Namaste, Adab, Sasri Akal. This is Dr. Nishan Gupta, practicing in Raipur and Bhilai, Chhattisgarh in central India. So we'll discuss another very interesting and beautiful remedy. That is Bambusa aeruginosa. Wonderful remedy from the plant kingdom, and it's basically a monocotyledon, which is more or less a very much primitive plants. And monocotyledon, they won't think about they won't even think about the others. They are so primitive. Their I should be good, that's the major aim. They won't be thinking about someone else. I should be good and this world is harassing me. So lots of despair you can find out in this type of remedy. Pretty close to that of a Salix fragilis, another remedy from the plant kingdom. So we'll learn about it. So you can check out. It's basically a monocotyledon and order is Poales and a family Germinaceae, the Poaceae family. And if you can look around the sensation of this Poaceae family, like needles, pin, stinging, piercing, pricking, sparkling, penetrating, this type of sensation this family used to have. What is piercing? Stinging me. That is the major thing of this remedy, the Poaceae family, the Germinaceae family we call it. And Bambusa prepared from bass, so it is prepared from the bass itself, basically a monocotyledon. And mentals mainly prescribed could be better by choice in certain pathological condition as well. After a great despair of Bambusa, there is too much aversion to everything. So there is aversion to everything, just like CPI you can find out. There is a fullness of the occiput during vertigo. That's another core of this remedy. And if you look around the mental, a great despair which is present all over the remedy comes very close to that of Salix fragilis. On going to the delusion, he himself a failure and metaphorically poor. So he used to think very much failure, a metaphorical poor he will think. Poor here indicate the insufficient quantity to meet a need. He is sometimes very poor. So we will look around some of the more delusion and the totality of this improved this remedy. Delusion failure he is, so he thinks he is a failure. Delusion poor he is. Delusion succeed he cannot, does everything wrong. Delusion imagines right, does nothing. Delusion imagines wrong, everything is. So this type of rubrics you can find out in this remedy. Lots of poorness you can find in this remedy. So primitive plant it is, and discontent life cut off from. So he thinks very well life is very much discontent, very much unsatisfied from life. Laughs never, very much sorrow face you can find out. He never used to laugh. Pities oneself from. That's the major core. Very much pity of oneself. A physician will look around him and he will hear the story for half an hour. He himself thinks how a pity guy he is. Beautiful remedy, especially for the cases of depression. It could be prescribed. Aversion to everything, too much aversion to everything. Fullness in the occiput, vertigo, in lots of fullness in the occiput region you can find out during the vertigo. Heaviness in the lid in warm, lots of heaviness you can find out in warm, especially a good remedy in cases of vertigo. Diarrhea sedative as in menses during, so diarrhea used to set up during the menses. Rectum diarrhea, pizza after, so after the pizza eating they had the diarrhea. Pain, tearing, gouty, finger, third middle, so third in the extremities they pain, especially in the finger, third finger, the middle finger we call it. They have about tearing pain. Lots of gouty diathesis you can find out in this remedy. A beautiful remedy for the rheumatism and gout as well. Perspiration, talking aggravates. Lots of perspiration you will find, especially talking in the public. Walking frequent midnight after 2 hourly. So we used to wake up frequently in the midnight after 2 hours. After each and every 2 hours, he used to wake up. Think of this remedy, Bambusa. So these are our 2 books. You can also have this. Do write down to me which remedy should I teach next. What are your major learnings from all this video. Thank you.